Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of audio enhancement with a focus on the best digital bass restoration processors, also known as bass enhancers. If you're looking to elevate your listening experience and bring back those deep, powerful lows that might be missing from your audio setup, a bass restoration processor can make all the difference. These devices are designed to reconstruct and enhance low-frequency sounds, delivering a fuller and richer audio experience. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 7 bass reconstruction processors, focusing on sound quality, ease of use, features, and overall value. Links to all the featured processors are conveniently provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's boost your audio experience with these top picks. Number 7. NVX XBBR2. The NVX XBBR2 bass restoration processor is designed for car audio enthusiasts who crave a deeper and more powerful bass experience from their sound systems. This device utilizes advanced circuitry to analyze and restore the low-frequency signals that are often lost during audio compression, ensuring that your subwoofers deliver the heart-pounding bass you desire. The XBBR2 goes beyond basic bass restoration, featuring parametric bass controls that allow you to fine-tune your system's low-end response with precision. Whether you're listening to music with heavy bass or just want to enhance the overall depth of your sound, the NVX XBBR2 ensures that your bass is always tight, clear, and impactful. The subsonic filter adds another layer of customization, allowing you to filter out unwanted frequencies that could muddy your audio. It comes with a dash-mounted control unit, so you can easily adjust your bass levels without having to touch the main unit. With balanced inputs and a high level of signal clarity, this bass restoration processor integrates seamlessly with your existing audio system, making it a versatile option for any car setup. Lightweight and compact, it fits effortlessly into tight spaces, and its robust build ensures long-term durability. Whether you're into hip-hop, EDM, or any genre that demands intense bass, the NVX XBBR2 brings your music to life, making every ride feel like a concert on wheels. Number 6. AudioPipe XVBXPSUB. The AudioPipe XVBXPSUB bass restoration processor is designed to enhance the low-end frequencies of your car audio system, giving you that deep, powerful bass that truly elevates your listening experience. This digital bass processor, often referred to as a bass booster, allows you to fine-tune and increase the bass in your sound system with multiple adjustment options. Whether you prefer tight, punchy bass or a wider, more resonant thump, the XVBXPSUB ensures that your bass is precisely controlled and optimized to your preferences. It supports a maximum input level of 15 volts RMS and a peak output of 13.5 volts, ensuring strong, clean performance no matter how demanding your music is. The processor covers a broad frequency response range from 0 Hz to 100 kHz, giving you a wide spectrum of sound to work with. With a total harmonic distortion of just 0.003%, you can expect crystal clear audio without the unwanted noise or distortion that can detract from your music. The signal-to-noise ratio of -130 decibels also ensures that your audio remains pure and free from interference. Its high headroom PWM power supply allows for efficient power draw, using just 150 milliamps and recommending a fuse rating of 3 amps. For those looking to enhance the bass performance of their vehicle's sound system, the AudioPipe XV-BXP-SUB is a reliable choice that delivers both power and precision, ensuring that your music's bass response is strong, clean, and always in tune with your preferences. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked and enjoying a moment of relaxation, this bass restoration processor makes sure your music is always at its best. Number 5. Soundstream BX-10X. The Soundstream BX-10X bass restoration processor is designed for anyone looking to enhance their car audio system with deep, powerful bass. This bass processor doesn't just add bass, it reconstructs and boosts low-frequency sounds, bringing new life to your music. Whether you're into EDM, banda, rock, or jazz, the BX-10X ensures your tracks hit hard and sound as they were intended. It includes a parametric bass control that lets you select and adjust the center frequency, ranging from 27 Hz to 63 Hz, so you can fine-tune the bass to your personal preferences. The width control lets you adjust the bandwidth to either narrow or wide, focusing on harmonics immediately surrounding or spread out from the center frequency. This kind of control means you get exactly the bass response you want, whether it's a tight punch or a booming resonance. The BX-10X also features a dash-mounted remote control that can be placed conveniently within reach for easy bass adjustments while driving. With its balanced inputs and a lighted display that shows bass restoration in action, you'll always know how your system is performing. The processor includes a subsonic filter to protect your subwoofers from ultra-low frequencies frequencies that might cause distortion or damage. Soundstream's high headroom power supply guarantees clean and strong output levels, reaching up to 13.5 volts, with a frequency response from 10 Hz to 100 kHz and a signal-to-noise ratio of 130 decibels. You can expect crystal clear sound quality. Whether you're upgrading a factory system or building a custom setup, the Soundstream BX-10X is a powerful tool for any bass lover looking to bring their music to life on the road. Number 4. Blaupunkt EP1600X. The Blaupunkt EP1600X bass restoration processor is a sleek and powerful addition to any car audio system, designed to bring back the depth and richness of low-frequency sounds that might be lost in your music. With nearly a century of Blaupunkt's innovation and reliability behind it, the EP1600X ensures that you experience deep, resonant bass with every track. The compact design makes it a seamless fit in most setups, and it's equipped with a wired remote control, so you can easily adjust the bass levels and optimize your vehicle's sound with just a turn of the dial. The processor features a wide frequency response range from 10 Hz to 20 kHz, delivering accurate and powerful bass tones without distortion. Its signal-to-noise ratio of 130 decibels and total harmonic distortion of just 0.003% means you'll enjoy clean and punchy bass, no matter what genre of music you're playing. The EP1600X also features balanced input noise rejection, ensuring that any interference is kept to a minimum for the clearest sound possible. Its high headroom power supply guarantees that it handles even the most demanding bass tracks with ease. This processor allows you to fine-tune your subwoofer and volume levels to create the perfect soundscape for your vehicle, all while maintaining a low power draw. Whether you're upgrading your car's audio system or simply enhancing the bass, the Blaupunkt EP1600X offers an ideal combination of performance, control, and ease of use, making it a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their in-car listening experience. Number 3. Soundstream ST-AP5. The Soundstream ST-AP5 bass restoration processor is a top-tier solution for car audio enthusiasts looking to maximize their bass experience. This processor is designed to restore low-frequency information that may be lost in the signal path, accurately recreating and injecting powerful bass back into your music. Whether you're playing new tracks or old favorites, the AP5 enhances your listening experience by giving you complete control over the bass levels. The device comes equipped with a convenient dual knob control for easy adjustment, and its efficient bass equalization circuit ensures your subwoofers hit hard without distortion. The gold-plated contacts provide optimal signal transfer for clear and punchy sound, while the lighted bass restoration display gives you instant feedback on the performance. With a frequency response of 10 to 100,000 Hz and a signal-to-noise ratio of 130 decibels, the ST-AP5 delivers crisp, deep bass across a wide range of music genres. It also features a subsonic filter to fine-tune the output, making sure your speakers are safe while delivering the most intense bass possible. With its high input and output voltage capacities, this processor provides maximum bass control, allowing you to take full advantage of your car audio system's capabilities. Whether you're a casual listener or a bass head, the Soundstream ST-AP5 offers the perfect balance of power, precision, and control to take your car's sound system to the next level. Number 2. HIFONICS BXI Pro 1.0. The Hifonics BXI Pro 1.0 bass restoration processor is designed to enhance your car audio system by restoring and boosting low-frequency bass signals that might be lost in the process of audio playback. This digital bass enhancement processor uses a specialized bass driver circuit that recreates and injects missing bass frequencies back into the signal path, ensuring your music hits hard with deep, powerful bass. The unique bass equalization circuit allows you to contour the restored bass to match your specific speaker system, giving you full control over how your audio sounds. With its subsonic filter, you can fine-tune the bass response to prevent distortion and protect your speakers, while the dash-mounted remote makes it easy to adjust bass levels on the go. The illuminated Hifonics logo adds a stylish touch, and the bass maximizer indicator helps you monitor the bass output to ensure you're getting the best performance without overloading your system. With a frequency response range of 10 to 35,000 Hz, the BXI Pro 1.0 delivers a wide array of low-end sound that is clean and precise. Its high signal-to-noise ratio and low harmonic distortion ensure crystal-clear audio quality, even at high volumes. Whether you're listening to modern music or old classics, this bass restoration processor will make sure your subwoofers produce deep, earth-shaking bass that enhances the overall listening experience in your vehicle. Number 1. AudioControl EPICENTER. The AudioControl EPICENTER bass restoration processor is a must-have for car audio enthusiasts looking to boost the bass performance in their sound systems. This processor processor utilizes patented bass maximizer technology to analyze and enhance the low-frequency signals that may have been lost or distorted in your source audio, bringing back the deep, powerful bass tones your subwoofers crave. Designed to give you full control over your bass output, the Epicenter features parametric bass controls for precise adjustments and a subsonic filter to fine-tune the low-end frequencies, ensuring that your bass is tight and punchy without overwhelming the rest of your audio. With a sleek lighted display, this processor also provides visual feedback on the bass restoration process. The unit is equipped with balanced inputs and a remote dash mount control, allowing you to adjust the bass levels without having to leave the driver's seat. Capable of handling high input levels and boasting a wide frequency response range, the Epicenter ensures that your music sounds as it was meant to, with deep, rich bass at any volume. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to integrate into any car audio system. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, electronic, or any bass-heavy genre, the AudioControl Epicenter will restore and elevate your listening experience, making it feel like you're sitting in a live concert. So that's it for the best bass restoration processors of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.